everybody, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. In today's video, I'm going to be taking out my tape-in hair extensions. I honestly can't believe that this is what I'm about to do because y'all, I've had these in for 9 weeks. And so it's kind of like, is this really happening? If you couldn't tell from the many videos that I posted with these, I love the mess out of tape-ins. Like, I thought I was a clip-in girl, but y'all, I might be a tape-ins girl. I do have another brand of tape-in extensions that I will be trying in the next couple weeks. So I'm excited about that. Let me show you all a tape-in. 9 weeks later, there's a tape-in right there. Your hair grows 0.5 inches a month, and so that's basically an inch of growth. Pretty sure you can see my hair is dirty, so I just need to take these out and really love on my natural hair for a couple weeks before I go in with another new install. So there are different ways you can take out your tape-ins. I think there's 3 ways. You can either use a remover that's made specifically for taking out tape-ins, which I think can probably be found on Amazon or something. You can use alcohol, or you can use an oil of your choice. I'm going to try the oil of my choice option first. I would prefer not to have to use alcohol. And then if that method doesn't work, then we'll switch to the alcohol because I don't have a remover and I don't really plan, I don't want to spend money on a remover. So I'm just using a random oil, use any oil. And I'm hoping I can saturate this enough to take out. So we're just gonna start with the one that's clearly in the front and see how this goes. Just gonna like saturate it, because basically what you're doing is just trying to loosen up the adhesive. Because once that adhesive is loose, your hair is free. But I hope this works because I don't want to use alcohol. I might have to use the alcohol way because this is not budged at all. Let me try a little bit more oil. Hold on. Let me try a little bit more. Get it right on there, on top and underneath. I think I'm gonna have to use the alcohol method, y'all. Well, hold on, that just opened up some. Hold on, I might have done something. Okay, so now it's open. I was able to split the two. Let me see if I can get it off like this now. Okay, so now I'm on the actual adhesive. Okay. Let me get your brother out. Hold up. I might need more oil. That came out so easy. Oh my gosh, I'm free. Yes. Okay, good. The oil method is gonna take some time, y'all. It's probably not gonna come out as quickly as alcohol and actual remover, but the oil method works. It works. Okay, so now we're gonna do this one. This one was directly underneath the one I just did. So I'm gonna dip my finger in the oil. Get it on both sides. I think basically what you're trying to do is get that oil to seep in between the tape-ins, because you know how we sandwich them together. And I'm using the oil that's on my fingers to help separate the tape. I want it to come off easy. I don't want to feel like I'm tugging. So if you feel like you're tugging, stop. It should start spreading easily on its own. See how like it's just coming off on its own and I'm not tugging? That's what you want, because if you're tugging, that means you might also be pulling your hair out, so don't tug. Yay. I need to see what time it is so I can see how long this is going to take me. Woo! And none of my hair is on the actual tape-in. So that's a good sign. That means I'm not pulling my hair out. Okay, so that went pretty quick. That was all the tape-ins on this side of my head. Why does it always seem like once you start taking your hairstyles down or protective styles down, I know this is not protective style, don't come at me, but protective styles down or just taking your hair down from a style, it always seems like your hair just is really itchy. But it's not itchy while it's in, it just becomes itchy once you start taking it down. It's weird. Does that happen to y'all too? Like only when you start taking it down is when the itch happens.
Because the moment you have a situation where you are really in control of things, that is to say, in which the future is almost completely predictable.
So that's the whole front of my head. I did that pretty fast. I think I'm gonna start just working from the bottom up. I really enjoyed my experience wearing these tape-ins. I definitely want to try tape-ins in a curly style because obviously that involves less heat. So that is something I would like to try next. Well, I guess next because the style I'm going to be trying again, the hair that I'm going to be trying next is still straight hair. So after the straight hair, I would like to try tape-ins in a curly texture. If you have not tried tape-ins, I definitely recommend it. But if you're not comfortable putting them in, have somebody do it for you. Somebody who knows how, a professional. I just felt like I could do it myself. And also when I was seeing how much it costs to install tape-ins, I was like, oh heck no. Let me do this myself, because don't nobody got $500, $600 to have somebody put these in. Like, I'm not doing that. So yeah, that's why I tried it myself. But I would definitely say, like, if you're not confident, if you think you would cause more damage to your hair, go to a professional. Because don't nobody want damaged hair. But if you are confident, I do say go check out my install video and my styling video and my week in my hair. I showed y'all just a week of me wearing my tape-ins. But no, I think if you're able, do it yourself. But if you're not able and you got the funds, go see a professional. I think I'm just gonna take these out off the rest off. I'm going to take the rest of them out off camera, and then I will come back to see y'all once I have them completely out. All right guys, I'm free. I'm free from the tape-ins. Took me about, how long did it take me to take those out? Took me like 35 minutes to take them all out. Now I need to go wash my hair. I'm gonna do a protein treatment. I bought a diffuser yesterday to try and diffuse my hair for the first time ever. I've never diffused my curly hair or my hair in its natural state, so that will be a first. If you guys want me to record that process and share it with you guys, let me know. But yeah, I'm about to go wash my hair because I know it is very dirty and obviously very oily now. If there's anything else you all would like to see from me, let me know. Please take care of yourselves, be kind to yourselves, and I will see you all in my next one. Bye.